Hey everybody, I just finished the Gwinbee model kit. Well, since I already completed Twinbee and Winbee, this was a lot easier to put together, quicker to put together because I already knew the structure thanks to all the guides. And Gwinbee looks really cool. The windshield looks is really translucent, and just like the other model kits I built, I am gonna have to paint this. And I was expecting stickers to come with this rattle thing, but I'm gonna have to paint them on myself. The T, W, and the G. Gwinbee is another aircraft, and it's piloted by a baby named Mint. There is some posability, but I gotta be careful with this because it's not like a regular action figure. Here's the side. Here's the back. The jet thrusters. Yeah, I still gotta sand some edges, but I want to at least show you what I have, what I created today. Now, I don't have any more Twinbee model kits to make. This is the third one. I already finished all three of them. Hooray. Now, they release Zakubi one day. I might build that one. And as you can see right now, the lighting is a lot better because it's night, it's dark out, and the light in the dining room is fine. I built this on Twitch. So again, I already mentioned, like I mentioned in my other video, I build model kits on Twitch. I unbox action figures on YouTube and sometimes TikTok. So yeah, make sure you subscribe for more content. Oh, one last thing. Here's the cockpit, as you can see here. That's pretty cool. Man, you know, Konami really needs to make Twinbee games again. I miss them. But Gwinbee's cool. Anyway, that's about it. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.